Hi dear students, welcome to this Ayush online classes. I am Anita here. In our previous video, we have learned examples based on distance formula. Today we are going to learn derivation of section formula. Let's see how to derive. First I will draw one Cartesian plane. This y dash is one Cartesian plane. X dash and y dash is Cartesian plane and this is origin. Consider any 2 points. This is A xy y1 and B x2 y2. Consider any 2 points. Consider any 2 points A xy y1 and B x2 y2. Assume that Pxy divides the line AB internally in the ratio m1 and m2. Let's see. This line P divides x, y. Ratio is m1, m2. Now draw AR, PS and BT perpendicular to x-axis. Draw AR, PS and BT perpendicular to x-axis. Yes. Now draw AQ and PC parallel to x-axis. Our construction is over. Already given is ratio PA divided by PB is equal to M1, M2. We are using here A similarity criterion. We are using A similarity criterion, that is triangle PAQ similarity triangle BPC. Now PA divided by BP is equal to AQ divided by PC is equal to PQ divided by this BC. I give this is equation 1. Find out now all values AQ, PC and PQ, BC. Let's see. First AQ. AQ is equal to or RS is equal to OS minus OR. OS is X and OR is X1. Next we need here PC. PC is equal to ST is equal to OT minus OS. Here OT is X2 and OS is X. Next we need PQ. PQ is equal to PS minus QS. PS we know that Y and QS we know that Y1. Next we need BC is equal to BT minus CT. BT we know that Y2 and CT is Y. We got all values. Put these all values in equation 1. Put these values in equation 1. PA by PB, already that PA by PB is M1 divided by M2. AQ is x minus x1 and PC is x2 minus x is equal to PQ is y minus y1 and BC is y2 minus y. Next, similarity, we can write here m1 divided by m2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x, and m1 divided by m2 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. First I will solve this. M1 divided by M2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x. Cross multiplication, M1x2 minus M1x is equal to M2x minus M2x1. x1, x2 term one side, x term one side. So M1x2 plus M2x1 is equal to M2x plus M1x. Here x is common, M1 plus M2. So x is equal to M1x2 plus M2x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Next, I will solve y. Y is equal to M1 divided by M2 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. Next, cross multiplication. M1 y2 minus M1y is equal to M2y minus M2y1. Same y1 y2 term one side, M1 y1 and y term one side, M2y plus M1y. Y is common here. Y is M1 y2 plus M1 y, M2 y1. M2 y1 is equal to y is common here and M1 plus M2. Y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Now we got coordinates, that is x and y. X, y. So this is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. This is section formula. I hope you understood this. If you like, please share and subscribe.